Amber Heard, Johnny Depp settled defamation case. More than 6 months after a Virginia jury ruled in favor of the Pirates of the Caribbean actor in the tumultuous trial between the ex-couple, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard reached a settlement in their respective defamation cases. Heard detailed why she decided not to pursue the appeal she filed soon after the jury gave her $2 million and Depp more than $10 million in June in a lengthy statement posted Monday on Instagram. According to the Daily Mail, Depp and Heard struck a settlement in which Depp would receive $1 million from Heard's insurance company. Depp's management confirmed this figure in a statement on Monday. Heard stated on Monday, "After much thought, I have decided to make a very painful decision to settle the defamation case brought against me by my ex-spouse in Virginia. I must emphasize that I never selected this. My life as I knew it was ruined because I stood up for the truth. Women are re-victimized in ways that are intensified when they come out, and the vilification I have experienced on social media is a manifestation of that. I have now been given the chance to free myself from something on conditions that I can accept after making an attempt to do so more than 6 years ago. I have not admitted anything. This is not a concession in any way. Moving ahead, there are no limitations or gags on my voice." Attorneys representing Depp, Benjamin Chu and Camille Vasquez, expressed their pleasure at officially closing the door on this sad chapter for Mr. Depp, who made clear throughout this process that his goal was about bringing the truth to light in a statement given to the Los Angeles Times. The statement said, "The jury's unanimous judgment and the resulting judgment in favor of Mr. Depp against Ms. Heard remain fully in place. The $1 million payout, which Mr. Depp is promising and will send to charities, confirms Ms. Heard's recognition of the successful resolution of the legal system's meticulous pursuit of justice." The former husband and wife traded unsettling charges of domestic violence during their highly publicized defamation trial, which was available to watch live for free on Court TV and other platforms. On social media, both stars got a mix of praise and criticism. Nevertheless, Heard experienced far more online teasing than Depp. Heard added in her statement on Monday, "I make this decision having lost faith in the American court system, where my unprotected testimony served as entertainment and social media fodder. In preparation for and throughout a trial where I was subjected to a courtroom where copious, direct evidence that supported my testimony was withheld and where popularity and power mattered more than reason and due process, I nearly spent all of my resources. In the meantime, I experienced a form of humiliation that I just can't go back to. The optimum result would be a retrial where a new jury would have to again weigh the facts, even if my U.S. appeal is successful. I'm just not able to go through that again." Before Heard filed an appeal, a Virginia judge dismissed her claim of a mistrial. She had claimed that the court had committed errors that hindered a reasonable and fair verdict. Depp challenged the Virginia verdict as well in an effort to overturn the $2 million Heard was given. Heard noted on Monday that Depp lost his 2020 London libel case after a judge determined that the large majority of the assault charges Heard brought against him had been proven to the civil standard. Heard stated in her statement, "Time is valuable, and I want to use my time effectively and with intention. I have been imprisoned in an expensive and time-consuming judicial procedure for far too long, and it has repeatedly failed to defend my interests or my freedom of speech. I cannot afford to run the danger of incurring an unattainable debt that would affect my mental health, physical health, and emotional health as well. Women shouldn't have to worry about being abused or going bankrupt for expressing their truth, but regrettably, it happens frequently. In resolving this case, I am also deciding to have the flexibility to devote my time to the work that, after my divorce, helped me recover. Work that takes place in spheres where I feel seen, heard, and believed in which I am confident that I can bring about change. I won't let what happened intimidate, demoralize, or prevent me from telling the truth. Nobody will be able to take that away from me. My voice will always be my most important possession." Heard thanked her supporters and legal team before wrapping off her speech. She continued, "I shift my attention to the growing support I've had and witnessed publicly in the months following trial, and the initiatives that have been taken to demonstrate solidarity with my story. Any victim will tell you that sometimes being able to share their tale feels like the only solace. I can't express to you how much hope your belief in me inspires, not just for me but for all of you."